All right, well, thank you so much for purchasing this digital journal. I'm going to show you how to get it imported into GoodNotes. It's actually a fairly easy process. So first what I want to do is go ahead and open up GoodNotes, and what I like to do is slide up and just add the files menu right next to it, because as soon as you download it, you're going to get this zip file right here that has all of your files in it. So we're going to unzip it just by clicking on it, and then in here we've got our getting started guide, which obviously you've already read because that leads you to this video. And then inside folder number 2 under digital journal is actually the files that we're looking for. And so this journal was made specifically for GoodNotes, so we have an actual GoodNotes file right here. If you want to use a different annotation software like Notability or Adobe Acrobat or anything else like that, you can just use the general PDF. It works the same way. What's special about the GoodNotes file is it actually has the included stickers actually embedded into GoodNotes, so that you don't have to leave GoodNotes to get a sticker on any of the blank spreads. So what we're gonna do is click on the GoodNotes file, and then we're gonna hit the share button, and then click open in GoodNotes. Click open, and then it's gonna ask you where you wanna keep that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click import as a new document. And just like that, we've got our digital notebook ready to go. So if you slide through here, you've got the easy little guide that also takes you to our Facebook community group where you can connect with us by just clicking that link. And then if you click on this video, it takes you to the video you're watching now. We also have some navigation help here to show you actually the different tab structures within the notebook. So right here, you've got the main navigation. And if you click on that, it takes you to the table of contents page. And then we've got the sticker pages, the page template area, and then each of the individual 7 sections that come with the notebook that are blank, ready for you to go, that come with 2 pages per section that are just the grid layout, ready to go for bullet journaling. And that's how you get the notebook in and just the basic navigation. So what I'm gonna do now is actually show you, we're gonna go back to the cover page here, and I'm gonna show you how to add a cover photo to this. So if we go back to our files over here, you'll see there's a covers folder, and I'm just gonna pick one of these that I like just by clicking, holding, and dragging it over into GoodNotes. And so now it's added the image. You can go ahead and resize it to any size that you want. I'm gonna make it just go ahead full screen, and now that's on there. Perfect, just like that. So now I can just slide this over because I don't need files anymore. I've got the file that I want to use in here. And so now you can customize this. You can come in with a pen if you want and just, do whatever you want, like put 2020. It's terrible font, but you get the point. You can customize your cover photo from there. Now let's talk about adding stickers to the notebook. So let's say that you want to use one of these in your section. Maybe you're building out a module. There's a lot of stickers that are included with this. And also in the files menu, if we bring that back up, you've got a folder with each of the sticker sets and all of the stickers as individual PNGs. So you could just click and drag and bring them into GoodNotes into an individual spread like this, like I'll show you. Let's go back to here, go to 1. Let's say we wanted this little checkbox. You can actually just click and drag it in there and it's ready to go. But the cool thing about this being built in GoodNotes is the fact that all I need to do is go to the sticker page here. Let's say we want to take this one, go into editing mode. We're going to take the quick lasso tool, and all you have to do is just scribble a little circle in whatever element you want. So let's take this tracker. I just need to go like that, click and hold with your finger, and then click copy. And now if I go back to view mode, go to my section here, let's say I'm working in this spread, all I have to do now is click and hold and click paste. And now that sticker is in here. We can resize it any way that we want and move it anywhere that we want on the spread. So pretty cool. They're all built and ready to be used inside GoodNotes, but that's how you add a sticker. Let's say that you want to have 5 pages inside section 1. So the notebook was designed so you can have as many number of pages as you want inside any of these 7 sections. And the cool thing is if you go to page templates, these are the different included page templates that come with the journal. So we have this grid system, we've got lines, we've got the dotted grid, which is great for bullet journaling or just sketching. We've got the dotted grid layout here with a little open sidebar, so you can add some images or just draw inside of there. And then we've got this open canvas with a little bit of a dot gridded sidebar where you could add some to-do lists or check boxes alongside with a drawing over here, really whatever you want. I designed this specifically so that you could use it in any capacity that you're really looking for. And then we've just got the blank open canvas for doodling and things like that. So let's say that you want to take one of these page templates and you want to put it in one of the sections here. So what we're going to do is come up and click on the little grid area for thumbnails inside GoodNotes. And let's take this one, and I'm just going to click duplicate on the drop down. And what this does is it just added another page right here. It's the same one. And if I click and hold this, I can drag it anywhere in the notebook. And you can see section 1 is right here. So I'm going to make it the first page in section 1. And if I click and go to section 1 and slide over, that page is now the first page that's right here. And so another way that you can duplicate this is if you're on this page, you want to just, quickly duplicate this, you could just click the menu inside section 1, and click the little drop down and just click duplicate. And you can do that as many times as you want. You can see it's just adding pages in. You can also do something really cool where, let's say you go back to the template section here and you want, so all of these are hyperlinked as well. And so let's say that you want to use the college ruled lines. You can click on that, it takes you to that page. Then we can click the 3 little lines up here and we can say copy page. Then I'm going to go back to my section 1, and let's say that I want it to be on this page right here. I can just click on the little thumbnail box right there. And after this page, we're going to click the little drop down and say add page after, and then select paste page. And that's going to paste in the page right there as the second page. And as you can see, if I close out, it is the lined page that we just copied from page templates. So pretty cool. You can just come in here, you can just grab a template, you can edit it, click copy, and then go anywhere in the notebook and paste it where you want it. So this literally gives you an unlimited opportunity to create any kind of creation you're looking for. And you've got 7 blank sections so that you can keep track of different projects or collections or whatever. I actually just use one straight for my normal bullet journal, and then I kind of use these other things for work projects or other things that I'm focusing on. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, you can visit the guide section. And if you don't know how to get to that, if you click on the contents page and click help guide, it will take you to the help guide. Or if you click navigation help, it'll take you to the navigation help. Everything in this notebook is hyperlinked, specifically designed for GoodNotes. It can be used though in other apps like Notability and Adobe Acrobat and things like that. That's why we give you a GoodNotes file and a PDF file. If you have any questions, feel free to join our Facebook community group. It's on the guide section. If you just click on it, it will take you to our little group. You can just add a little invite and you can share your questions with us, and we'd be happy to answer anything that you have. So thanks again for purchasing the guide, and definitely check out our Etsy shop for sticker packs and sticker bundles and all kinds of other cool journal stuff.